Welcome to this video. This is Dr. Kiran Derle, and in this video we'll see how to calculate squares of numbers which are close to 100, right, in fraction of seconds, right? So let's get started. So squares of numbers which are close to 100, that is when base is 100. So we'll first see numbers when numbers which are more than 100 and close to 100, right? Say for example, if we are asked to calculate the square of 109, right, 109 square. So 109 as base is 100, 109 is plus 9 from 100, right, plus 9. So your answer will get divided in two parts. This part will have two digits, right, and that will contain different square. What is difference here is plus 9. Plus 9 square is 81, right, and this part will be 109 plus 9, number plus or minus whatever is the difference. So 109 plus 9 is 118, right? So this is my square 11881, right? So one more example, 108 square. So this is plus 8 plus 8 square would be 64, right? So this part will have two digits always. 108 plus 8 comes here, that is 116, 64, right? So suppose 106 square is asked, 106 square, right? So this is plus 6 square is 36, 106 plus 6 is 112, that's the square. I hope you are getting this point. Say for example, now if 113 square is asked, 113 square, what is this? Plus 13, right? Plus 13. This part will be different square but will contain only two digit, and we know square of 13 is 169. 169, right? So we'll write only 69 here. 1 will be carried. 113 plus 13 is plus 1. 113 plus 126 plus 1, 127. This is the square. 12769 is the square, right? I hope you are getting this point. So let's say 116, this is plus 16. Square of plus 16 is 256, right? So we'll write 56 here, two digits, 2 will be carried. This plus this is 132, plus 2 is 134. This is the square, right? So similarly 122, this is plus 22, plus 22 square is 484, right? If you don't know, you can check our squares trick video. 484. So we'll write 84 here, 4 is carried, 122 plus 2, 144 plus 4, 148. That's a square, right? You can do it mentally, guys. Do it mentally without using pen and pencil. You will be able to calculate this in fraction of second. But yes, the practice is important, right? So have few questions, right, yourself, and you'll definitely get the idea of it. So when numbers are less than 100, close to 100 and less than 100, right? So again same logic will follow. Say for example, you have to calculate square of 91 square, right? So this is minus 9, minus 9. So your answer will divide in two parts, again different square. Minus 9 square is 81, right? 91 minus 9, 91 minus 9 is 82. 8281 is square of 91, right? Square of 91. See, if you want to calculate square of 86, square of 86, this is minus 14. So this part will be minus 14 square. Minus 14 square is 196. We'll write 96 here, right? 1 will be carried. 86 minus 14 is actually 72, plus 1 is 73, right? So 7396 is the square, right? I hope you are getting this point. Pretty much simple to understand, pretty much simple to apply, right? The exams, there are most of the exams you do not allow calculators to use, so these things are very much useful in solving questions, right? So let's move ahead. Numbers having decimals. Okay, so squares of numbers which are having decimals, for example 1 point, let's say 12 square, right? These examples will be this, you will not be asked these examples directly in many of the exams, but in topics like compound interest, simple interest, percentages, profit and loss, you will be you will have to solve these type of calculations. You'll have to do these type of calculations in most of the cases. So in that case, these tricks will be very much helpful, right? So 1.12 square is asked. So forget about decimal for some time. We'll calculate for 112 only, right? So this is plus 12 square is 144. We'll write 44, 1 is carried. This is 124 plus 1, 125, right? So square of 112 is 12544, but we have to calculate for 1.12. 1.12 is nothing but this 1.12. So after 4 digits we have to put the decimal point, 1.2544. That's how the question would be solved, right? So let's say one more example and we'll make it clear. One, let's say 11.9 square, right? So forget about decimal part. This will be plus 19. Plus 19 square is 361. We'll write 61 here. This is 138 plus 3. 138 plus 3 is 141, right? So 11.9 square, 2 digits, so 141.61 is the square. I hope you have got this. So try to understand these things, try to solve questions at your end also, right? And make these things very much clear. So keep studying, keep building your career, guys.